Problem 14. Find x, y, u and v satisfying the system of four equations, namely x plus 7y plus 3v plus 5u is equal to 60, 8x plus 4y plus 6v plus 2u is equal to minus 16, and 2x plus 6y plus 4v plus 8u is equal to 60, and lastly 5x plus 3y plus 7v plus u is equal to minus 16. We have to find out the value of solving these four equations. We have to find out the value for x, y, u and v respectively. Now consider the solution for this one. Given these equations as let me name them as 1, equation number 1, equation number 2 and equation number 3 and equation number 4. Adding the equations 1 and 4, we get 6 x plus 10y plus 10v plus 6u equal to 0. This can be written as 6 into x plus u plus 10 into y plus v is equal to 0. Let me call this is equation number 5. And adding the equations 2 and 3, equations 2 and 3 gives us 10x plus 10y plus 10v plus 10u is equal to 0. This implies 10x plus u plus 10y plus v equal to 0. Let me call this is equation number 6. Equations 5 and 6 gives us x plus u equal to 0 and y plus v equal to 0, because the constant terms 10 and 6 are not 0, and therefore other factors are going to get 0. Substituting minus x for u and minus y for v in 1 and 2 in equation 1 and 2. We get x plus 7y minus 3y minus 5x is equal to 16. That is minus 4x plus 4y is equal to 16, and this will give us minus x plus y equal to 4. Let me, 4. Let me call this is equation number 7. And same way, substitute minus x for u and minus y for v in 2. Again, for 2, we get 8x plus 4y minus 6y minus 2x is equal to minus 16, and this implies that 8x minus 6x, 8x minus 2x minus 2y equal to minus 16. That will give us, dividing throughout by 2, what we are going to get, 3x minus y equal to minus 8. And let me call this is equation number 8. Solving 7 and 8 simultaneously, we get x is equal to minus 2 and y equal to 2, and thus x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 2 and u is equal to 2 and v is equal to minus 2. This is the solution for the equation